You have been lied to. The private jets? Rented. The penthouse suites? Booked by the hour. The designer bags? Borrowed. Welcome to the illusion economy, where influencers fake the luxury lifestyle and make millions while doing it. Stick around because what you are about to discover might change how you look at Instagram forever. Chapter 1. Rented riches. Rented riches can refer to multiple things, including using rental income to build wealth or natural resource revenues to achieve economic development. It can also be a book or podcast title exploring real estate investment or a slang term for becoming wealthy through rental properties. Let's start with the biggest illusion: luxury assets. Private jets, Rolls-Royces, and Lamborghinis are the holy grail of look rich Instagram content. But here is the dirty truth: most of it is rented by the hour. In LA or Miami, it is as easy to rent a Lamborghini as it is to rent a scooter. Influencers will shell out a few $100s for a photo shoot, and then stretch those photos across weeks or months of content. And private jets? You do not need to fly them. Many studios offer grounded jets for photo shoots. They never leave the runway. So when you see a caption like, "Work hard, play harder," with a jet in the background, that is not a reward. That is marketing. And wait until you hear how they fake designer wardrobes with a credit card swipe, a secret most will not admit. Chapter 2. Designer dupes and borrowed bags. Designer fashion is the language of luxury. But when you see influencers showing off $10,000 handbags and limited edition sneakers, do not assume they own them. Because many do not. Websites like Bag Borrow or Steal and Rent the Runway offer high-end fashion on loan. Influencers rent pieces for a day or two, snap content, and send them back. Others buy the items on credit, tag the brand, and return them within the allowed window. And then there is the counterfeit world. Some influencers knowingly use luxury dupes from overseas, pass them off as real, and cash in on the aesthetic. But what if the luxury location is not even real? Let's talk about Airbnb hacks that fool millions. Chapter 3. The Airbnb illusion, one of the oldest tricks in the book. Luxury living made possible by short-term rentals. Influencers scour Airbnb and Vrbo for high-end listings, book a night, and milk it for a month's content. They will show off marble kitchens, rooftop views, and walk-in closets without showing the front door or the checkout. Some even collaborate with Airbnb owners for free stays in exchange for promos. But here is the kicker. Many influencers bring their lighting, rugs, and props to stage the perfect shot. They are turning an expensive apartment into a temporary movie set. Do you still think that view is real? Let's explore the world of digital manipulation and filters. Chapter 4. Fake it with filters. Welcome to the age of hyper-reality. Today's influencers do not just pose for the camera, they construct the image. With apps like Facetune, VSCO, and AI background changers, a backyard pool becomes a Bali resort. Some influencers adopt the "fake it until you make it" strategy. They stage photo shoots in luxury settings to give the impression of a high-flying lifestyle. They might rent luxury cars for a day or even use photo editing tools to enhance their photos. All this effort is to project an image of success and wealth. Some even green screen themselves into luxury settings. A simple ring light and a stock image of Dubai can do wonders, and you would never know. This is not just tweaking the brightness. It is manufacturing an entire persona: flawless skin, luxury cars, golden hour lighting, none of it organic. But what if the followers themselves are part of the illusion? The next reveal might shock you. Chapter 5. Fake followers, real money. Many luxury influencers built their success on a foundation of fake numbers. Buying followers, likes, and comments is a booming business. And it is cheap. In reality, many influencers boost their numbers by buying followers, likes, and comments. There is a whole market dedicated to selling social media engagement. You can pay for followers or hire bots to flood your posts with likes and comments. But this approach has a significant flaw: fake engagement is easy to detect. Social media platforms have algorithms that can differentiate between genuine and fake followers. Despite this, many influencers still take the risk, hoping no one will notice. For less than the cost of a Starbucks run, you can buy 10,000 followers. These bots inflate vanity metrics, attract authentic brands, and boost credibility. But here is the wild part: brands know. Some do not care. As long as the image sells the fantasy, the ROI checks out. Real or fake impressions drive sales. And just when you think it could not get any more manufactured, let's pull back the curtain on fake relationships and staged social circles. Chapter 6. Staged friendships and fake flex partners. The final piece of the puzzle is fake connections. It is not uncommon for influencers to collaborate for the sake of image. These are not friendships. They are partnerships for content and clout. There are even services where you can rent people to pose as friends or significant others. It is designed to give the impression of status, popularity, and exclusivity. Everything can be scripted down to the champagne cheers and group yacht shots. So, with all this smoke and mirrors, why do they do it? What is the endgame? Chapter 7. Why they do it. The business of illusion. Simple, it sells. Faking luxury is a business model. When you look rich, people assume you are successful. That makes them trust your advice, buy your course, and use your discount code. Some influencers have turned fake lifestyles into six-figure monthly incomes. From affiliate marketing to coaching programs, the illusion becomes a funnel. And because social media rewards attention, not authenticity, the fakers often win. But here is the good news: you do not have to fall for it. Here is how you can spot the illusion before it manipulates you. Chapter 8. How to spot a fake luxury lifestyle. To spot a fake luxury lifestyle influencer, pay attention to their follower count, engagement rates, and content consistency. Look for sudden follower spikes, low engagement compared to follower count, and vague or poorly sourced information. A fake influencer might also create fake brand partnerships or claim access to exclusive experiences without clear evidence. 1. Follower count and engagement. Sudden gains. According to Travel Mindset, be wary of influencers who quickly acquire a large follower count, as this can be a sign of purchased followers. Engagement ratio. A genuine influencer should have a reasonable engagement rate, likes, comments, shares, compared to their follower count. If the engagement is significantly low, it could indicate a high percentage of fake followers. Engagement velocity. Observe how quickly engagement comes in after a post. Influencer Hero says a sudden surge of likes, comments in the first hour can be a red flag. Want to know if someone's faking it? Look for inconsistencies. Do they always post luxury content but never tag specific locations? Do the comments seem generic or repetitive? That is a sign of bots. Use tools like Social Blade or IG Audit to check for sudden follower spikes. Look for signs of retouched photos, warped backgrounds, overly smooth skin, and identical lighting in every shot. And most of all, trust your gut. If something feels staged, it probably is. But we are not just exposing influencers, we are learning from them. Here are how you can use the same strategies to build a genuine, honest personal brand. Chapter 9. Building authentic success. Online influencers may present a fabricated image of success online through curated content and a fake it until you make it approach to attracting followers and collaborations. However, building genuine influence online requires authenticity, transparency, and consistent engagement, which can lead to more sustainable and impactful success. You do not need to fake wealth to build influence. Authenticity is the new currency. Document your journey instead of pretending you have arrived. Share behind-the-scenes moments, struggles, and real wins. Engage with your audience like people, not customers. People are hungry for the real. And those who build trust win long-term. So, where do we go from here? What does this mean for the future of influencers and social media? Chapter 10. The future of influence. The influencer landscape is changing. Audiences are getting smarter. Brands are starting to value micro-influencers with real engagement over inflated numbers. Even AI influencers are entering the game, perfectly crafted, never aging, and consistently on brand. But even they raise one big question: what is real anymore? In a world obsessed with appearances, the most disruptive thing you can do is be real. So next time you see a 22-year-old sipping champagne on a yacht, ask yourself, is this real, or just a rented dream?